Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Claypot chicken with mixed mushrooms. So let's start cooking. Now we'll start to marinate our chicken. I have with me over here 420 grams of boneless chicken leg. Just cut them into sizes like this. Add in 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine, or rather Shaoxing Huatiao. For those of you who don't take alcohol, you can always omit this, no problem at all. Add in a few dashes of white pepper. Mix this up well. Once you mix them up well, we'll add in 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Same thing, mix them up well. And after you have mixed them up well, we'll just set them aside for 20 minutes before we continue. I will show you the next step in a while. We'll now prepare the sauce. I have with me over here 140 milliliters of water. Add in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. I'm using the premium dark soy sauce, so this is not very salty. 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance out the taste. A few dashes of pepper, as well as 1 teaspoon of corn flour. Mix them up well and set them aside. Once we've marinated the chicken, I'll show you how I put the dish together. I'll see you back in a while. Now we'll put our dish together. I'll be using my clay pot for this dish. Of course, if you do not have a clay pot, you can always use a wok or your frying pan. Heat it up, add in a good amount of oil. We need a little bit more oil for this dish because we need to fry the shallots, the garlic and the ginger until they're really fragrant. Add in 1 thumb-sized ginger slice. Don't have to be too thin. Just need to extract the flavor out. 4 pieces of shallots, just half them, put them all in. 1 whole bulb of garlic. You don't have to cut them, just peel them up, put them all in. And the stem of 3 pieces of spring onions, just put them all in. Stir them a while, brown them. We need to be able to smell the beautiful fragrance from here. I'm using medium heat for this, so you can do the same. This dish will be extremely flavorful when we are able to extract the flavors from all these aromatics. This will take a little while more. If your ingredients are browning too rapidly, just turn down the flame a little bit. We don't want to burn the ingredients, we just want to char them a little bit or brown them a little bit. Wow, I can really smell them right now. Really nice. Once you can smell them, we'll add in our chicken. Give your chicken a good mix first. Then just pour everything down. We need to fry this until we can no longer see any redness in the meat. Spread them out and let them sear for a while before we move them around. Oh, really fragrant. I love it. It's okay if it sticks onto your clay pot, because later we'll be pouring in some sauce to deglaze it. Just fry them until they are no longer red. If it's too dry, just add in a little bit more oil by the sides. I like using clay pot because it actually creates a very good heat and will give you that very nice charred kind of taste. And also, once you have cooked this dish, you can serve it directly on your dining table. Just a little while more. Oh, smells really good. The purpose of searing the meat is to seal the juices in and enhance the flavor. As you can see, the meat is pretty white now. That means they are about 70-80% cooked. We'll now add in our sauce. Give it a good stir first. Pour your sauce in. Just scrape the bottom up a little bit just to release the flavor. Now we add in our mushrooms. I have with me over here 60 grams of white shimeji mushroom as well as 60 grams of brown shimeji mushroom. You can use any fresh mushroom that you like, no problem at all. Or if you want more mushroom, by all means use a little bit more. We'll put the lid on. Turn down the heat to low because clay pot gets heated up very fast, and we just cook this for 2 minutes. I'll show you how they look like in a while. 2 minutes is up. Let's remove the cover. Right, look at how beautiful this is. Now we add in our spring onions. Drizzle in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. And it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Smells really, really good. You can smell the ginger, the garlic, the spring onion, the beautiful aromatics that's coming out from here. Let's try the chicken first. Super tender, very, very good. The sauce with rice. Oh, absolutely a rice killer. This dish is really, really very flavorful and really, really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's your turn to cook. See you, bye bye. 哇，香！